Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to find the center of the circle and the radius of the circle. So now we are given an equation like this. Let's say here we have to learn how to express in the standard form. So the standard form will be in the form of x minus h square plus y minus k square equals to r square. So here our center of the coordinate, so here a coordinate, so where a will be h, k, and radius is r. So this will be our standard form we will have to express from here. So now let's get started. So let's complete the square now. So x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. So let's erase this. So now let's bring the x over to one side. So x square minus 8x plus y square plus 2y equals to 3. So we bring the arbitrary constant to one side here. So let's complete the square for this. So this one, x square minus 8x plus, so this one we divide by 2, so it's 8 over 2 square minus 8 over 2 square plus here y square plus 2y, same. So this 2 we will divide by 2, so it's 2 over 2 square minus 2 over 2 square equals to 3. So now we know we can take this out also. This one will be x minus 4 square minus this one, so 16 plus y plus 1 square minus 1 equals to 3. So from here, x minus 4 square plus y plus 1 square equals to 20. So now from here, let's continue from here. So now let's shift this up. So here is x minus 4 square plus y plus 1 square equals to 20. So now our coordinate of A is here, so we got our form here, so minus 4, so 4, and then here plus 1, so it's minus 1, so therefore it's minus 1. This is our coordinate for A. Now for C equals to R2 equals to 20, therefore R equals to square root of 20. So here is square root of 20 equals to, so this one, let's simplify this. So equals to 4 times 5 equals to 2 times square root 5 units. So now we found the coordinates of A and the radius of C here. And we have already come to the end of this lesson. If you have any comments, please feel free to drop me a comment and I will reply to your comment. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos.